Hello, my name is Leroy Diggs Jr., and I am the son of Benita Diggs and Leroy Jones Sr. I was born on June 24, 1989 in Batesville, Mississippi at Tri-Lake Medical Center. I graduated from Sapalola High School in 2007. During my years at Sapalola High School, I was the star quarterback. I was a leader on the field and off the field. I led the Sapalola Tigers to three incredible championships. We won in 2005, 2006, and 2007. I also was an honor student. My dream is to play professional football for the Dallas Cowboys. In conclusion, I am taking this class to further my education and to better my talking ability. Another reason why I am taking this class is to go to North Carolina to play for the university soon.